What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video, man. You guys seen yesterday we got that brown thing tidied up. We got the front end on there. So today it's finally time to go get the wheels for that joint, as well as the Road King, man. We're going to get the bar switched out on it. So this thing will be pretty much done today as well, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let's get right into it now. All right, man, so we got this thing loaded up, strapped down, ready to go, ready to get them bars switched. I can't wait. This thing is looking mighty good. It's about to look even better. Next morning here, guys, we are loaded up, getting ready to go, man. Got to get some gas in this big monster truck, dog. Y'all know I don't really drive this to LA unless we towing a bike, and this one, it's more than worth it. All right, y'all, so y'all see no bike on the back, man. We just dropped that thing off secret location. About to get that thing done for us in a couple of hours, man. You know, nick of time, man. That's why I love coming to the city and getting stuff done. So in the meantime, about to head to my dog shop, see if my boy needs some help or something, which I doubt it, but you know, we're gonna see what's good, man. Just pulled up on my dog, got them joints. Ooh, is that mine? No, that ain't mine, but it looked good though. I like the color on it, man. Look like we about to get this one headed out, man. What else we got up in here? Okay, we got the Street Glide, man. Y'all know my boy got the giveaways as well, man. He got the Street Glides, man. Got the Road King. That joint looking nice. Okay. Got the projects in here. This thing look nice too. I can dig it. About to get a few things situated, man. I think we about to take this one to the frame doctor, get it situated real quick. You know, he about to go crazy on this one, but y'all see what's going on, man. He just pulled up to the frame doctor, already got one bike off, and our Road King is already done with the bar. So as soon as we get back to the city, we're gonna go scoop that thing up. But let's check out the other one real quick. Dropping this one off here. Getting this one situated.
Divide the bike in half, round down the rear tire tread, comes out 12 inches like the steering wheel.
Okay.
So they're perfect.
Yeah.
Nuts.
It's crazy. I've never seen a Harley like this on a machine. That's crazy. So they drill it and everything.
This is sick. Yeah, we made all the tools.
Yeah. That's nuts, man. Hey, now I know where to come.
If it's done, we can do it for you.
For sure, man. Alrighty, guys. So we got the bike back there, bar switched out. I will show you guys when we pull over. We actually already went to Antonio's, so we're on our way to the rim shop right now before we head home. We just pulled up to get our rims, but we can check out the bars. Y'all see them looking real good, real fine and dandy. We about to pick up these wheels, get them things on there. Get this front end situated and get it going. Just pulled up to the rim shop, getting cracking, man. Y'all see we got another rim here. These are actually the stock wheels that's on the bike now. So if we wanted a 21, that'll be perfect. But y'all see it here first. Alrighty, man, we done made it back home. About to get this thing offloaded real quick. Get these wheels in the garage, and we'll probably call it a night for the night. Got that thing in here, ready to go. So we'll probably have to catch you guys tomorrow. Next day here. Got the bikes here. Man, y'all know it's early. It's about 5 in the morning. I couldn't even sleep. I ain't gonna even hold you. I woke up at about 4. Like, is it time yet? Is it some light outside? But we got the wheels here, man. Now for the red one, we actually went to BBV to get a 130 series. I believe this is a 120. We actually got a 130/60 21 tire for this one because we do have the wraparounds. With this tire, it's definitely gonna rub, so we need that 130. So we have to take this wheel up to BBV to get that tire switched out. We already bought it, so they're just gonna switch it out, balance it for us. Then when we come back, we'll be throwing that one on there. So first, it will be more logical to start the brown one because we have everything for it, and we don't gotta change no tires or nothing. So I think I'm gonna pull the brown one out first, finish that one off, and at least try to get the back wheel on this red bike switched out. So we'll see what's good here, man. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, so we got the stock wheel off. We got the new one that's going on. So let's get this thing situated. But first, while we right here, we should put that screw in there so we won't have a hard time later. That'll be the smart thing to do, I think. Man, I ain't gonna even hold y'all. Y'all see the sweat. I'm having the hardest time with this back tire. The last one I did was easy as heck. I've been working on this thing for at least an hour. I don't know what's up, man. Well, I guess we'll keep trying and see what's up, but I don't know. Yeah, man, I ain't gonna even hold you. This thing is like such a freaking tight squeeze. Like the spacer, it's either you can get the ABS on and not the spacer, or the spacer and not the ABS, man. So when I did it before, I ain't had as much trouble. I've been out here for an hour trying to figure it out, man, and kind of just over it. So I'm gonna probably put the other rear wheel back on if we can. And probably go from there, dog. I don't know. All right, so y'all see how easy this freaking stock OEM wheel went on there, man. So I'm sure they'll have to like get it on there somehow, but I can't get it, man. But meanwhile, I'm gonna get this front wheel off and get this one on, since we didn't waste a whole hour on nothing. Front wheel on, looks good. However, we couldn't get our fender on there because we don't have our main bolt. The one we have, well, the ones we have rather, are too long, so not gonna be able to use those, but we'll try to get it right, man. And since I guess we did what we can with the brown bike so far, we'll start tackling this red one, seeing if we can get its back wheel on there. Man, it's crazy. We can't finish neither one of these joints right now. All right, man, I don't know what's up with these rear wheels today, but they are not working out for me, dog, like at all. The stock wheels is going on in literally 10 seconds. So I don't know what's up with it. I don't know if it's the spacer or what, but I'm done with it for today. I'm not gonna be messing with this thing. Definitely gotta take it to the shop because I'm over it and I'm tired of sweating. All right, so we got our battery fished out of there. I actually thought I replaced that battery already, but I never replaced that battery. So I gotta go get a new battery for that one. Gotta go get 4 bolts for up here so we can have these fender bolts on there and install that front fender. We gotta take this bike up to Harley. We're gonna be taking it up to Harley, dropping it off to get that back wheel switched out. It's only gonna be like 50 bucks, so I'm gonna do that. And then while I'm taking this bike, after I drop it off, I'll take that front wheel to BBV to get that tire switched out because this tire is too big, man. It's just like a whole lot of stuff, like a whole bunch of like little stuff, dog. And the worst part is like I gotta load the bike up. Alrighty, y'all, just pulled back up to Harley. About to have them get this thing situated. Meanwhile, after we drop this off, we're gonna go get the front tire situated so we can at least get this thing finished when we get it back. Alrighty, man, so we done left Harley, pulled up to BBV, got our tire switched out already. We gotta go to Harley and get those 4 fender bolts for the brown bike, and then some screws for our turn signals for that bike as well. So about to load this thing up, head to Harley, and head back to the crib. Second Harley, got mama, ready? Come on. I'm about to go in here and see if they got our fender bolts. They only got 4 from over here, man. Otherwise, we gotta go way to Henderson. And we are leaving the third Harley, man. Henderson Harley, man. So we done got pretty much everything we needed, minus a few couple parts, but literally everything else we need is ready to go. So it's time to get back to the house, get that fender on that thing, and see how that road glide is gonna look. We then finally made it back to the house. We got our battery for this thing. So we got to put our battery in, get that seat mounted up. We do have our doors for this now. However, we're waiting on our piece. We're waiting on this piece for this side. So I think I'm going to do the doors and the turn signals when we get everything literally complete. So we only got to take off that outer fairing one time. Meanwhile, I'm going to get this fender situated and put on here. Try to see how this thing look, man. So let's get it. Guys, I can't make this up. It's freaking like 100 and something degrees, plus it's freaking now thunderstorming and windy. So rain is like getting in my garage now, man. Gotta push the bike back a little bit, but it is pouring down and thunderstorming. This is crazy. Alrighty, guys, now that it's pouring down, we did get that front fender on there. Thing is looking amazing. Now I gotta get this seat on here. Let's see how we gonna get this little hook in, because if not, I probably got to take the wheel off, just because we're not gonna have to take this seat off no more. So I'd rather get it in there right and firm, but we'll see what's up. Alrighty, yes sir, she is looking adorable. I'm loving it. That front fender did it for me. Looks so good. The seat on there now, everything is crisp and clean and looking A1. We got juice. We're gonna check out that power in a minute, see what's up. We don't even got our mufflers on. We're gonna be putting our exhaust on, or at least having Harley do it, because they're gonna do our brakes and stuff for us, so it makes sense to just do it all at the same time. But does look really good so far, man. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know. Man, I almost forgot about our oil cooler thingamajigger down there, but it is color matched as well. Looking good. Oh, I'm excited now. All right, man, we got this thing pulled out a little bit. We did get that new battery in there, so we can see if this thing fires up. Let's see. There it is. There it is. We got some noise, y'all. Yeah, we definitely got some noise. That's A1. That's A1, dog. Guys, we don't have any brakes, but I did take it on a ride real quick around the complex at a slow speed. So I can't wait to really hop on this thing and enjoy it with y'all. But y'all seen it here first, man. What y'all think about it so far? Let your boy know in the comments below. Pretty much gonna leave it like this. Actually, I can put that mirror on there but we're gonna leave it like this. Next step, we gotta get our exhaust put on. We gotta get our brake changed out. And then our floorboards on. However, we gotta get a screw out right there. But other than that, this thing is pretty much done. We have the turn signals that we're gonna put on once we get our little door piece right here. We just got the actual doors back from Antonio. So it's one little piece on this side that looks like that we're missing. So once we get all the interfering parts, we'll do that one time so we don't gotta keep busting it down and doing it all over. But this thing should be done in the next couple days or so, so stay tuned for this one. Meanwhile, our Road King is still at Harley. It should be done in a couple hours, I guess. So I'm gonna have to put these bags up in the meantime. We're gonna park the Road Glide right here and then probably call it a day. So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We got both of the bikes here. We tried to get the wheels put on both bikes in the rear, but I don't know what's up with those aftermarket wheels. It's just not working for me, so that's why I have to take the Road King up to Harley. Meanwhile, when we get that one back, we will be taking this one up there to get that back wheel on there, as well as the exhaust, brakes, and all the last little things to finish up this bike. So this thing will be done and running. I'm thinking by like, what's today, Thursday? Probably by Friday or Saturday, if not top of the week next week. But we'll get there, man. So stay tuned for that. And then if you guys haven't entered the giveaway for the 2018 Road King, man, that red thing, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Grab you a camo hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We literally almost about halfway sold out. We only got 200 hats in total. So I'm sure when I drop the video with these rims on there and this thing complete the next day or so, that thing is gonna sell out, man. So if you guys haven't entered already, man, head over there right now and go get your hat, man. You could win a freaking Harley Davidson. If you haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. My hands is dirty and I'm dirty, man. I'm gonna have to get at y'all in a minute, dog. Peace. Now that we got this place clean, it's a freaking wrap. Oh yeah, these things is looking good back to back to back to back. Then these are for sale, guys. These are 2020 Road Glide special takeoffs. Stock wheels, pretty decent wheels here. 1300 or 1400 shipped rather.